Meaning of discipline.
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 Discipline. Discipline refers to the practice of training oneself or others to follow a set of rules, regulations, or guidelines. It involves controlling one's behavior through self-restraint and adherence to established norms. Discipline is essential for individuals and groups to maintain order, achieve goals, and improve performance. It can lead to increased productivity, focus, and effectiveness in personal and professional settings. The ability to self-discipline is associated with greater success in life, as individuals who can control their impulses and adhere to standards are more likely to achieve their desired outcomes.